Hey there, I'm Jeff, your friend from Push Protocol. Today, we're going to talk about Push Video. Are you tired of clunky video chat apps that require intermediaries? Well, say hello to Push Video. Push Video is the first wallet-to-wallet video chat that allows you to connect with other Web3 users live without intermediaries. What can you do with Push, you ask? Anything you do with video today. Social chats, business meetings, customer support, streaming, gaming, telehealth, education, coaching. The possibilities are endless. Ready to get started? It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Step 1. Head to app.push.org/chat and connect your MetaMask or your preferred Web3 wallet. Step 2. Click on Push Chat on the left navigation bar. Search for the recipient you want to video call with their wallet address or their ENS domain name. Step 3. Start a video call using the camera or video icon on the right side of the screen, and voila! You are connected to your Web3 body. And guess what? The Push Developer SDK is launching soon. This means that app developers can easily integrate decentralized notifications, chat, and/or video directly into their applications. So what are you waiting for? Join the Dev Chat channel in our Discord to learn more about the SDK launch. Push Video, the wallet-to-wallet video chat that's changing the game. Wait, somebody's calling me on Push Video. I'm gonna pick it up now. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Bye.